Does he snore?
Luke's interesting. He's a puffer snorer. Like he'll go. This is Luke, okay? So he'll be asleep and he'll groan a little bit. He'll go.
Oh.
That's what I'm talking about. Lee Baker, can we move on to him, please? I mean, it's like a low-flying jet, so how would that sound? But then interrupted by an elephant, so describe an elephant. And then an elephant coughing, so do that. Elephant coughing. There you go. Because I was in the room with Beatty, I asked him, okay, Beatty, I want you to describe how I sounded like when I was snoring. This is what he had to say.
This is my rendition of Sal from the Morning Wake Up and his snoring.
It sounds like a cross between Darth Vader
I was gonna say.
and a dog with a bone.
This is what I heard from Beatty.
That is the worst snore.
He needs medical attention. Take him to the doctors, please.